I'm going to tell you, no matter what I said on Instagram, my motivation was at a 0, -10 out of 10. This is episode 1 of me following my own advice that I post on social media. So I got my phone right here, about to just randomly scroll to a video on Instagram that I posted, and I'm going to directly apply it to my life. Got Instagram open and just randomly scrolling through, and let's just stop here.
The thing you're just starting, it's going to work out. You're going to thank yourself in a year. Your family will thank you in 5, and the world will thank you in 10. So stick with it and keep being great. You know where to find me.
That is some pretty good advice, if I do say so myself. This YouTube channel and the long form videos is something I'm just starting with, so I'm going to stick with it. I'm actually going to take it a step further and take you with me to the gym, because that's something I'm going to thank myself for in 10, 15, 20, and hopefully many years beyond that. Done with the first round of exercises. I'm going to tell you, no matter what I said on Instagram, my motivation was at a 0, -10 out of 10. I was looking at the list that I made of exercises and I was like, nah, man, I'm not going to do this. Let me just think of some other stuff or modify it, make it easier. You're always going to negotiate with yourself. Don't give in. Don't give in, because once you get the ball rolling, you're going to thank yourself that you did it. So that advice that I gave myself, that I'll thank myself in 10 years, 5 years, yeah, I'm thanking myself an hour later. So that benefit comes a lot quicker than you might realize. And a lack of motivation is not a valid excuse. So I'm about to get back to it, and I'll catch up with you. I'm really not into recording like full workouts and being that guy in the gym, but these 3 exercises, if I couldn't do any other exercise, it would be these 3. That is, if I'm looking to build explosive power and become an explosive athlete. So if that's something that's interesting for you, check them out. Okay, it's the next day. Don't mind that fact. I completely forgot to film after the workout. That's on me, but that's the beauty of this process. I'm learning how to document and and especially when to press record, when to talk to you. And I know this process is going to be super rewarding. As I said in that reel, it's something I'm going to thank myself for in the years to come. And I know my family and my kids, they're going to thank me. My dad also played professional basketball like I do, and I don't have anything really that I can look back on in terms of videos to see how he was living and see how he was playing. So every video that I make is a win, and I'm excited to keep documenting and continue sharing with you. So make sure you're subscribed so you can stick around for the next episode, which is coming soon. And always remember, the best is yet to come.